Welcome back. Varka Gram Sabha faced heated arguments over some of the migrants staying in commercial establishments in the Panchayat area. Locals complain that it creates inconvenience to the residents. They have demanded immediate inquiry. Gram Sabha also passed resolutions like collecting garbage and upgradation of fish market.
सरपंच तुका तो इंस्पेक्शन को रिपोर्ट डाल म्हणलो तू रिपोर्ट डाल तुगे हेड काढवा देते कोई दे आली तू किता के बोलता तू कुछ बोलना ना तू मुडा सेक्रेटरी बोलेगा
Development is we have started with the second floor that we know last time we did that, and we have started with the fish market. Process is on. High Court said if we do weekly collection, then we have to give a report by a secretary, and if it is like satisfied report, then they will give us more than 5 minutes.
Public product dirty water उदो येता dirty आणि ते न्हू ते सगळे हाका पडत रावताय ते सगळे इलिगल ते शॉप ते जाल्यार ते ओनर रेंटेड दिला आणि ते रावताय कितें फॅमिली रावता ते आणि हे आमी सगळो ते टॉलरेट केला आणि आतां आमी टॉलरेट कोन्ना कित्याक ऑलरेडी स्प्रेड जायत वयता मॉस्किटो टायगर मॉस्किटो स्प्रेड जायत वयता आणि जायते आमकां आनी जायते नोश तेंचे वयल्यान आमी फेस करूं म्हणून.
And now look at the other events in the state.
Manavi Chandilkar and Asawari Gurau won the first place at the Goan Dramebaz organized by the Rotrek Club of Panjim. President of Rotrek Club of Panji Anish Kamath Helekar, Sharmat Raiturkar and Vijay Kumar Kamath were present at the prize distribution ceremony. Goa Can has called upon LGP consumers of HP gas to be alert about the salesmen selling fake Suraksha hoses. Similar cases have occurred at KAPM. Coordinator of Goa Can Ronald Martin says that duplicate LPG hoses are being sold above MRP without any approved cash memo of the dealer. Martins has also demonstrated difference between the original and fake hoses to the general public.
On closer examination of the packets, we have found that fake Suraksha hose have been put in genuine packets and sold to the consumers. Now, what the fake people have done is very smartly created a hose with orange color. If you see, this hose can be bent, whereas if you look at the original, it will give you a round, it will not bend any further than be round.
Bureau Report Prudent.
5-day-long Diwali is an auspicious festival that brings prosperity, wealth and wisdom in homes. On the auspicious day of Lakshmi Pujan, people pray to the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, and seek her blessings. It is believed that on this day, goddess Lakshmi visits every home. The home where she feels pleased and happy prospers thereafter. Watch cones welcoming goddess Lakshmi.
श्रीखंडं गन्धर्वाणां विलेपनं सुरश्रेष्ठचन्दनं प्रतिग्रही सतां गन्धद्वारां विराजमानं कृष्णां माल्यानि
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.